Hello! For today, I'm going to share an information that can solve the confusion of most people. We are going to talk about in and on. But before that, may I know, which one do you think is right? Is it put me on your fridge or put me in your fridge? Another, what do we say? Is it right now I'm in a bus or right now I'm on a bus? To check, the correct answer for the first question is in. Put me in your fridge, since the cat can be found inside the fridge. For the second question, the correct answer is on. Right now, I'm on a bus. Since you can stand on a bus, therefore, we should use on. Okay, to further explain, let us know. In and on are prepositions. This, when you say preposition, this is one part of the 8 parts of speech. In and on are used to connect nouns to other parts of sentences. They are also used to indicate the object's location, date, and state. Moving on, in and on are used to refer to locations, dates, vehicles, state, and material. In is used to refer to countries, state, continent, capital, while on is used to refer to planets, street, avenue, boulevard, and corner. For example, we use in when we say, I live in New Zealand for years now. Another is, he studied in Alabama. Since Alabama is a state, therefore, we say in. We use on, for example, our house is located on Bagong Lipunan Street. Since Bagong Lipunan is a street, therefore, we should use on. Another is, I saw you on Rizal Avenue yesterday. Since we're talking about Rizal Avenue, therefore, it is better to use on. For dates, we use in talking about year, months, century, and decade. While on when we're talking about days of the week or when it is a month with an accompanying date. For example, in the year 2020, COVID-19 occurred worldwide. So here we're talking about the year 2020, so it is better to use the word in. Another is, I will start attending my summer classes in May this year. So we're talking about the month May, so we should use in. For on, the example is, Sherry will see you on Monday. Since we're talking about a day of the week, therefore we say on Monday. Another, the event will commence on the 4th of July. Here, we can see that the July has an accompanying date, which is 4th of July. Therefore, we should use on. If you can stand on a vehicle, meaning you cannot stand, you should use in. While if you can stand on a vehicle, you should use on. For example, Mom can't talk to you right now. She's in a jeep. So we can't stand in a jeep, therefore we should use in. For on, you should turn on the airplane mode of your mobile phone when you are on a plane. So technically, we can stand on a plane, therefore we should use on. If the material or the object can be found inside another object, we use in. But if it is on top of another object, we use on. For example, I secured the books in my bag so it won't get wet. So, you put the books inside the bag, so you use in. Another is, I left the pen on the table. So you left the pen on top of the table. So we can use on. For the materials, we are talking about printed material and electronic material. For example, the one written on your paper and the one that can be found inside a computer. So, if the material can be found in a printed one, we use in. And if the material can be found on the computer, let's say Facebook or social media, we use on. For example, I wrote the details in your paper. So it's a physical paper, it's a concrete one, therefore we use in. For on, I saw your post on Facebook. It was hilarious. So it is on because it's Facebook and it is inside a computer. Okay, so anything that is electronic, like radio, TV, we use on. But for printed ones, we use in. But, be mindful, for in every rule, there is always an exemption. We can also use on for printed materials when we are saying that it is about a certain book. For example, have you read our topic on the Beauty and the Beast? Meaning, have you read our topic about the Beauty and the Beast? So here, we should use on. Another, if the one that you're talking about is placed on the book. Okay, so you say you can find the answer on the book. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today and I hope you'll be able to use in and on properly next time.